Hi, welcome to the Financial Sigma. Are you looking for ways to make money online? In this video, we'll be discussing 5 proven strategies for doing just that. First, let's talk about starting a blog or website and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. This is a great option for those who have a passion for writing and sharing information on a specific topic. By creating a website or blog and attracting a large following, you can earn money through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing by promoting products or services that are relevant to your audience. Starting a blog or website and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online if you have a passion for writing and sharing information on a specific topic. The first step is to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could be anything from personal finance to fashion to technology. Next, you'll need to create a website or blog and start producing high-quality content that your audience will find valuable. This can be in the form of articles, videos, podcasts, or any other format that you prefer. As you attract more visitors to your site, you can monetize it through a variety of methods. One way to monetize your site is through advertising. You can sell ad space on your site to businesses that want to reach your audience. You can also use Google AdSense, which is a service that allows you to display ads on your site and earn money based on the number of clicks or impressions that the ads receive. Sponsored content is another way to monetize your site. This involves creating content that is sponsored by a company and promoting their products or services. The company will typically pay you for creating the content and promoting it to your audience. Finally, you can monetize your site through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale that you help generate. By promoting products or services that are relevant to your audience, you can earn a passive income through affiliate marketing. So if you have a passion for writing and sharing information on a specific topic, starting a blog or website and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online. Another way to make money online is by selling products or services. This can be done through your own e-commerce website or on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Setting up your own e-commerce website can be a bit more involved, as you'll need to handle things like payment processing, shipping, and customer service. However, it can also be a very rewarding way to make money online, as you'll have complete control over your business and be able to build it up as you see fit. If you don't want to go through the process of setting up your own e-commerce website, you can also sell your products or services on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. These platforms handle much of the heavy lifting for you, including payment processing, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is set up your shop and start selling your products. Whether you create your own products or source them from elsewhere, this is a great option for those who have a knack for entrepreneurship and want to start their own business. You can sell a wide range of products, from handmade crafts to digital goods to physical products that you source from elsewhere. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and build a business around it. So if you have a knack for entrepreneurship and want to start your own business, selling products or services online can be a great way to make money online. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can also make money online by offering freelance services. This is a great option for those who are looking to supplement their income or make a full-time living from their skills. Freelance work can be done in a wide range of areas, including writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. To get started with freelance work, you'll need to identify your area of expertise and decide what services you want to offer. Then, you'll need to create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. There are a number of platforms that you can use to find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms allow you to create a profile and bid on projects that are posted by clients. You can also use your own website or social media presence to promote your services and attract clients directly. Freelance work can be a great way to make money online, as it allows you to set your own schedule and work on a project-by-project basis. You can choose to take on as much or as little work as you want, depending on your availability and goals. Plus, by working as a freelancer, you have the freedom to choose the clients and projects that you want to work on. So if you have a particular skill or expertise, offering freelance services online can be a great way to make money online. Another option for making money online is investing in cryptocurrency or other forms of online investing, such as peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding. These types of investments can be a bit more risky than traditional investments, but for those who are willing to take the risk, they can also be very lucrative. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Bitcoin is the most well-known form of cryptocurrency, but there are many others as well. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a bit risky, as the value of these assets can fluctuate significantly. However, for those who are willing to take the risk, it can also be a great way to make money online. Peer-to-peer lending is another way to invest online. This involves lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. You can earn money by charging interest on the loans that you make. This can be a good way to earn a passive income, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks before getting started. Crowdfunding is a way to raise money for a project or business idea by soliciting small contributions from a large number of people, typically through an online platform. You can invest in crowdfunding projects as a way to make money online, but it's important to understand that there is a high level of risk involved, as many crowdfunding projects do not succeed. So if you're willing to take the risk, investing in cryptocurrency or other forms of online investing can be a lucrative way to make money online. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before getting started. Finally, you can become a digital nomad and make money online by working remotely from anywhere in the world. Digital nomads are individuals who are able to work remotely and travel at the same time, thanks to the power of the internet. This can be a very rewarding way to live and work, as it allows you to see new places and experience new cultures while still earning an income. There are many different ways that you can make money online as a digital nomad. You can offer freelance services in your area of expertise, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. You can also start a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Or, you can sell products or services online through your own e-commerce site or on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. The key to making money online as a digital nomad is to be proactive and willing to try new things. It may take some time to find the right balance between work and travel, but with a little bit of effort and determination, you can build a successful career as a digital nomad. So if you're looking for a way to travel the world and make money online, becoming a digital nomad might be the perfect option for you. By leveraging the power of the internet, you can work from anywhere and earn an income through a variety of means. So those are 5 proven strategies for making money online. Whether you're looking to start a blog or sell products, invest in cryptocurrency or offer freelance services, or become a digital nomad, there are plenty of ways to earn money online. So, which one of these strategies will you choose?